So welcome back to Excel. Mathematical expressions in Excel. How do you key them? All these rectangular shapes over here, they are called cells. Okay, and you can insert numbers into any one of them. Okay, and you see here, it's represented over here, same. However, if you do key in an equal sign, then Excel will know that this is going to be a mathematical expression or a formula. So example is 3 plus 1 gives you 4. That's correct. This is the expression. This is the result. Excel will not just let it sit there and show you the formula. It will just calculate and give you the result. So let's try some others. Say 3 plus 100. Yeah, that's correct. Let's try some other operators such as minus. Should get 7. Equals 100 minus 33. The result is correct. Equals, let's try division. You should get a decimal number. And next, 10 divided by 2, you should get a whole number. How about multiplication? 10 multiplied by 4, get 40, that's correct. And then 30 multiplied by 55, say. There you go. So Excel will naturally be able to calculate for you. That's a point of Excel, using Excel. So earlier I think I gave a wrong information on this remainder, the operator of getting the remainder. After exploring the web for a bit, the actual way for you to get the remainder of a number, say for a number 9, you want to divide by 4. What is the remainder? So there is a formula in Excel built in for you to get the remainder, and that's called the mod, M-O-D. So say 10, I want to get the remainder. You should get 1, right? Yep, that's correct. So if I were to do mod 10 2, so get the remainder of 10 divided by 2, you should get 0. Yeah, that's correct. So this will actually give you the remainder for the number, the dividing operation of these numbers. That is mod. Okay. A few other built-in. Okay, let's just scroll down for a bit. Built-in formula such as sum. How do we do that? Okay, so equals sum. Just say I want to total up these few numbers: 3, 2, 4, and 5. There you go. All right. Or for example, I come over here and I copy this. Okay, Control C, and then Control V. Let's just change this to average. You can see all this intelligent guesses from Excel. Okay, average. An average number for all this tree is 3.5. So there are all these built-in formulas for you just to prove that it is calculating correctly. Okay, so just take this view. just do a expression. Plus, plus, plus. So what's the number here? You have three numbers, total them up, plus all of them together, and divide by 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, count of 4. And yes, just to prove that everything is in line. Okay. And how do I show all the formula that I've typed in over here? Assume that I don't want to see the results for right now. Okay, how do I show the original expressions that I've just typed in? Well, you can come over here from home, come over here to formulas, and check out this formula editing in the ribbon, show formula, and there you go. Alright, this little show formula here, it reveals all the things that you have typed in. Click again and then it will show you all the results. Right, so that's all for this time around.